Pahalgam. I actually want to do the Kheer Ganga trek with my friends. I've
done that.
No, you haven't.
It's very crowded though.
Whatever.
It's beautiful. It's like that part of India,
Hmm.
that landscape.
Hmm.
I've not seen it anywhere else. And I've had to travel a lot because of YouTube. I've traveled all over India, but I've never found anything like that.
Is it beautiful?
Dude, it doesn't feel like a part of this country. So, okay, honestly, it's a bit of a stoner town, Kasol and all that whole area. And you go upwards from there, you have Tosh. Then you go a little bit upwards from then you have Kheer Ganga.
Hmm.
It used to be like a whole like stoner trek, but it's also the most beautiful part of India that I've seen. Really tall trees.
I've never been there. I've only trekked in Pahalgam. So I've been to Tullian Lake, which was actually like a very silly decision on our parts because it was not a 1 day trek. Like we should have gone there and stayed the night like normal people and come back the next morning. But we decided that we'll go and come back the same day. And I can't tell you, by the time we reached Tullian Lake, like we saw the sunset, which I love because I'm obsessed with the sun and moon. And anybody that follows me on Instagram who has had 3 conversations with me probably knows this. But we've seen the sunset at Tullian Lake. It's beautiful. But now you know what happens after the sunsets? It gets dark. And you know what happens after that? You should not be trekking. You know what we did? We trekked. So we've come down this hills, and we left, I think, at about we were supposed to leave at 6 in the morning because I said, let's not trek in top sun, but nobody listened to me. We left at like 7:30 and we started coming back down only at 6 and we've reached at like 3 a.m. And it was extremely, tricky. But
Eerie.
it was not eerie, man. It was just hard. It was just
Okay.
like we couldn't see where we were going beyond a
Mhm.
point. And you know how those guides are like, "Arey, yahan pe atma hai, arey, yahan pe." I was like, "ठीक है, but is there a bear? Like, tell me that. Like, I'll scare the atma, but I might not be able to scare the bear. So, is there a bear here? Because that I need to know."
You have fear of animals?
Like bears, man. Like
Okay.
I like suddenly.
Not Atmas?
No.
You're chill with Atmas.
Yeah, have you met
Okay.
me?
Okay.
मुझसे
Because
डर जाए.
with this show, there's a meme that's been created which says, तेरा career गया भाड़ में ये बता कि भूत होते हैं कि नहीं.
अच्छा.
Because we bring up bhoot a lot on the show.
अच्छा ऐसा. नहीं. But I know I'm not. I believe honestly, like at the risk of answering your question with more seriousness than you intended it, I believe that whether it's even sometimes animals, but animals, atma, anything. If your energies are positive now, they don't really mean to harm you. Like if
That's
you're
true.
like in a good space and if you're in a good zone and you mean well, like parallel universe, our universe, every universe will just help you mean well, I feel.
This is why I was looking forward to this conversation.
I'm telling you, I really feel that way.
I can't take the podcast to these places with anyone who's famous pretty much.
Why?
I think people are not comfortable talking about things on the other side of consciousness. Like, so we have consciousness in us.
Yes.
Okay. And if you go beyond that, what happens after death? What happens when you're fast asleep without the dreams? What happens when you go into very deep meditations? No one wants to go there in terms of conversation.